Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video, and again let's discuss what happened today and what we are expecting next with the help of the data points. So talking about the very first thing is that, like, I today updated on Twitter, that is the Bank Nifty cash volume is not good. That means cash volume is drying up, and you can clearly see that, like, it was going down. And also if someone would have noticed this picture, so they would have got the line of control, and the line of control was like today. So that this line of control, we figured it out today, 49,233, and it worked out perfectly for today and giving resistance to Bank Nifty. But the main point is that like the cash volume was drying up. And note down the time of the trade, 11:31. So let's look at Bank Nifty, where it was at around 11:31. So this is Bank Nifty chart, 1 minute chart. So 11, so here as you can see 11, so almost here, okay. So let's see, so almost here 11:31, so let's say 49,000, okay. So it went a little bit up to 49,100, and then after that it fell to 48,800, okay. So the thing is that there was a very nice fall, and that was like almost predictable with the help of the volume, because the volume dried up totally. It dried up during that moment, and so that's why, like, whenever this happens, so up move is very limited, and thus we also took the advantage of it. Now let's come by one. So today I basically caught two reversal. One reversal is this, and the other reversal was in the morning. So the morning here, what happened was that score was positive in the morning, and some big guys made long positions, okay. So then I did not go with them, but the thing was that I was already having position on long positions. So I'm going to discuss about that, but let's first discuss today's one. Now talking about today's one, yes, 22,700 C, bought at 57. Now look at this time, 10:05, okay. So the reason for buying was this, like, when in the morning I saw that money flow score jumped. So then some big guys bought 22,700 at around 76 to 77 rupees. Now I bought it at 57. I knew that, like, this price is going to go to at least 70, because they were also averaging at 57. So let's look at where Nifty was then. So 10:05, 10:05, let's come here to the charts. So almost here, almost at the bottom, as you can see, okay. So this is the candle, 10:05, this is the candle, sorry, 10:05. So almost at the bottom. In Nifty, this is 1 minute chart, and then we captured this perfect up move, okay. And so it went perfectly up till almost 78, where the big guys bought in the morning. The price went to till there, and then finally again came down, okay. So the thing is that we captured this one, and then the next one was in Bank Nifty and Nifty both. But mainly the thing that we got, like the main move we got, it was in Bank Nifty. And also, like, here look at the line of control. Like after I saw that Bank Nifty getting resistance, I did not say. So look at the time, 11:06, okay. I told that the line of control is 49,233, and Bank Nifty was very near to that. Like, let's look at on the chart. So 11:06, so 11:06. So this is 11, so 11:04, 11:05, this is the candle, 11:06, very near to 49,233. Till there I said that if this line, it's very close to 49,233, if this line doesn't cross, then we are going to see resistance, and from there we saw the fall, okay. So here, so 11:06, and from there the fall came till 48,800, okay. So the thing is that, yes, it perfectly worked out. And then again what happened was, I noticed that cash volume was drying up, and 11:22, and we took, like, I closed my long positions, and then we took short positions, and then finally, like, bought Bank Nifty almost at an average price of 205 and closed it at 252. And this I already told you on Twitter as well. You could have also taken the advantage of it. And also calls were shorted, and so they were finally closed. Now talking about the trade of that was taken on the last day. So the thing is that yes, I had to finally close it at a loss, but the writing positions were all in profit. So the writing positions gave a little bit I mean the exposure I got in the loss for buying, so that was minimal. Minimized by the writing positions. Okay, so here you can pause the video and check. So yes, the last day analysis, there it went wrong, but the gap up happened. Okay, so that analysis went perfect. That the gap up happened, and I was getting a very nice exit. And the thing is that yes, the buying positions they were at a loss, and the loss could have, the writing positions were in profit. Okay, and so finally, like, I closed it at a loss, but today I got two reversals, and that helped me to recover my loss in a very great way. So anyways, we are all humans, and 1 or 2 days we can make a mistake. So this is the last day again. If I look at the last day, then the previous day, so there all the analysis went correct. Okay, so being a human, you are allowed to make a mistake at least 2 days out of 10 days, but yes, sometimes our accuracy goes even 100% as well. So anyways, talking about the other so let's talk about now the other points. Now if you want such analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, and also you can take the benefit of the discount offer. So use the coupon code which is in the description below. And now let's talk about on the chart. So on the charts, our line of control acted perfectly today, 49,233. Okay, so and then let's talk about Nifty. So Nifty, if you look at here, that is our levels, that is look at here, that is 22,516 to 22,476. That perfectly worked out. So it went up, and then it concentrated between those two levels, and then came down, and again went to 22,476 and almost ending there. Okay, so now let's talk about FinNifty. So FinNifty again, you know that BankNifty has a very high weightage. So how FinNifty will go? So it depends mainly on BankNifty. So now let's talk about our money flow indicator. So I've already shared the PDF. So you can go and check with the timestamp. So here, as you can see, like the score went negative, and giving us that short positions are being built up by the big guys. And in the morning, some big guys also made long positions. So then market went up, and then finally again market came down. Okay, so as you can see here, from 1 p.m. The scores were clearly negative, and here as well, like finally here as well, like again BankNifty score was also positive in the morning. Some big guys were making long positions even in the morning, and they finally took the market up and closed those positions at a profit. Okay, so anyways, now the thing is that yes, BankNifty score also went negative from 1221 onwards, and then also you can see that we saw the fall even after that. So anyways, I also posted my money flow score even here as well, and even after that I showed that the score were heavily negative, and even after that the fall continued. Anyways, talking about the other data points, that is, let's come to the EOD data. So EOD data, what is it suggesting is that today long positions, a little bit of long positions have been made by the FIIs. FIIs are overall short in futures, but they have almost equal quantity in almost, okay, not exactly, almost. So you can't say that they are heavily bearish or heavily bullish in the futures. So they are bearish in the futures overall, but not heavily bearish. Okay, so they have quite a long, quite a amount of long positions as well. Anyways, talking about prop decks, not much activity overall. They are short in futures. And talking about option chain, So option chain FIIs are not taking any major positions on the put side. So mainly they are called writers for today. And talking about prop decks, they have like today they have done put writing and they have also done call writing. Majorly they have done call writing today. Okay. And talking about FII's overall positions, they are call buyers, but this I wouldn't say call buyers because their gap is decreasing. Okay, so now they are almost call writers, we can say. So they are call writers and they are put buyers overall. Okay, the FIIs. Talking about prop decks, they are overall put buyers as well as call writers. So option chain FIIs prop decks looking bearish. Futures is like see, this is the starting of the month, so now option chain should get more priority than the futures. More priority comes when we are in the last 2 weeks or mainly in the last week. Okay, so that's the overall view, and I have discussed on the charts everything. So again, my final verdict is sell on rise as of now. So this like sideways move or a little bit of down move, so this will continue for 1 or 2 days before we again before we become again bullish. Okay, so anyways, I have discussed the levels and everything. So if we again go down, so for Nifty we would be having 22,351 as the next level. Okay, and so yes, so this would be the next level, 22,351, and even if that breaks 22,220, okay, and even if that also breaks, then 22,000 let's say. Okay, and talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, if you look at, so let's go to the 15 minutes chart. So yeah, so if we look at the chart, so again the main support comes at around 47,933, but let's see. Okay, let's go to the option chain to find out. So talking about our tomorrow we have Nifty expiry as well. So Nifty, talking about Nifty 22,500, as you can see there is like a good amount of call writers there, and also put side not looking good, and they are also closing on the put side. And the PCR ratio is also like 0.6, so which is not a good sign for the bulls. And talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, as you can see, like where is the major next support is, it's at 48,500. Okay, so 49,000 mainly call writers are there, as you can see, and so Bank Nifty should get resistance there, and a little bit of support if it goes near about 48,500. So that's the range. And now let's talk about Nifty. Nifty tomorrow we have expiry, and yeah, coming down to Nifty, as you can see, again a huge amount of call writers are there in Nifty, and the PCR ratio is almost 0.70, so which is again a bearish sign, not a very good sign. And put sides are closing, but again, as you know, that this is not the correct way to analyze that put sides are closing. Tomorrow morning you can suddenly see that put writers, big put writers are active, so you can't say anything. But what is there, that is the call writers are there. So majorly the call writers are present at 22,000, and then it's present at 21,800. So that's the overall analysis. And on the chart, so again I hope you enjoyed my live analysis, live prediction during the live market hours, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to become a member, so you get access to the money flow indicators, and don't forget to take the advantage of the coupon code, and it's only valid for the yearly membership. And yeah, so if you like my analysis, please do put a like, and also share it among the other traders who need such similar help. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.